Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this delicious garlic parm corn ribs. So easy, the perfect appetizer. Before I begin, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you're new here, and let's dive in. We're going to begin by using 3 corn on a cob, or you can buy it already, pre-cleaned for you. When you clean it yourself, it's much more sweeter instead of having it already pre-cleaned for you. So I'm going to just remove these. I love corn, by the way. Like, I eat this on daily basis. Just cut them up, put them on over, like steam them, just like that. I'll eat it. It's so good. Or you can boil it, add a little salt and butter. Oh my goodness. Corn is my thing. I love it. Now I have the corn nice and clean, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to cut them into half like this. And then you're going to cut it right in the middle. I have a rolling pan. Okay, this is the easiest way I can do it. Just cut them in the middle like this. Okay, that's not bad, but you gotta watch your fingers. This is hard, by the way. All right, now I have my corn nice and cut, as you guys can see. It was a little bit of struggle, but we got it through. All you need is about 3 to 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. Any Cajun seasoning will do, but I'm using Island Vibe Cajun seasoning today. About 1 tablespoon. Just add that in, give it a mix. Just like this. And we're going to brush that butter all over the corn, maybe a little bit more. Perfect. Now you're going to place your corn right into your air fryer. You can also do it in the oven. It doesn't really matter. Just place them right on here, just like this. Trying to spread them apart. And then what you're going to do now, grab yourself a brush. You are going to brush that Cajun butter all over your corn. Oh, it's going to be so good once it's done. And I have the perfect sauce to go with these. So I'll show you guys how to make the sauce. Just like that. Let's just brush it. Oh, like I said, any Cajun seasoning will do. But you can find the Cajun Crush down below. It's my own seasoning. It's really, really delicious. You're going to love it. So just like that, we have the corn nicely butter up. Now we're going to place it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes on 350. All right, guys, while the corn is air frying, I am going to make a quick dipping sauce. So basically, I'm using mayo, a little bit of sriracha sauce. This is like half and half. If you're using 2 tablespoons of mayo, you use 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. And I'm going in with a little bit of garlic powder. And also we have half a lime going in there as well. Squeeze that in. Just like this. Give it a quick mix. And this is basically your dipping sauce. So, and there you have it. Your dipping sauce is ready. Just like this. As you can see, they are ready to go. It smells so good. I love corn. Look at it. So pretty. So I'm going to just place it into my plate. Just quick, easy snack when you're watching TV, you're watching the game. Okay. Now you can either go like this with your little sauce on top, and also you can dip it into, I'm adding some Parmesan on top to make it nice and pretty. Ooh, nice and pretty. And also we got some parsley going on top. There you have it. So good. These are so good, you guys. You definitely going to impress your guests with this one. These are really good. You gotta try these ASAP. Hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. Please leave a comment down below. When are you going to try these? And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye guys.